Ready for a wild ride through the cosmos? We're doing a deep dive on a planet that's blanketed in steam. You heard that right, steam.
It's true, and it's entirely unlike anything we've ever seen before.
I mean, I know space is full of surprises, but a steam world, what are we even talking about here? Like, how big is this thing, and where is it?
Well, it's called GJ9827DA, and it's actually not that far off, cosmically speaking, of course, about 98 light years away in the constellation Pisces.
Pisces, huh? So, like a fish made of steam. Okay, I'll stop. But seriously, 98 light years, that's a hop, skip, and a jump compared to some of the stuff we talk about.
Right, and in terms of size, it's no Jupiter, that's for sure. It's only about twice the size of Earth.
Okay, so we're not talking about a massive gas giant or anything. But why all the excitement over a relatively small, steamy planet? What makes it so special?
It's the first confirmed planet with an atmosphere that's primarily made up of water vapor. We've theorized about such a thing, but this is the first time we've actually found one.
Wait, so like actual steam? As in, if we could teleport there, we'd need a really good facial.
Well, I wouldn't recommend teleporting there even if we could. The surface temperature is estimated to be around 350 degrees Celsius.
Ouch. 350 Celsius. That's about, what, 660 Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
I think I'll pass on that spot A. But okay, superheated steam aside, this is a big deal for our understanding of planets. Right?
Absolutely. This discovery really challenges our assumptions about planetary atmospheres. We've always thought of them as being either primarily hydrogen, like Jupiter, or nitrogen and oxygen, like here on Earth. But GJ9827 is something else entirely.
So how do we even know what the atmosphere is made of? I mean, we're talking about a planet light years away. We can't exactly fly a probe through its atmosphere and take samples.
You're right, but we do have some pretty incredible tools at our disposal. This discovery actually combines observations from both the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescopes.
Talk about bringing in the big guns. But how does that actually work? How can those telescopes tell us what a planet's atmosphere is made of from so far away?
It's all about analyzing the light that passes through the planet's atmosphere when it passes in front of its star from our perspective. Different molecules absorb different wavelengths of light, leaving behind a unique fingerprint. It's kind of like how a prism splits light into a rainbow, only in this case, we're looking for missing colors in the rainbow to tell us what's in the atmosphere.
Okay, so it's like a cosmic game of chemical hide and seek. That's pretty ingenious. So this steamy atmosphere, what does it tell us about how planets like this one form?
Well, one of the leading theories is that GJ9827d might have formed much farther out in its solar system where it was colder and then migrated inwards over time.
Oh, so it was once an ice world that got a little too close to the fireplace.
It's possible. And that migration process could explain why its atmosphere is so different from what we might expect to find closer to a star.
So we could be looking at a snapshot of a planet in the middle of a dramatic transformation. That's incredible.
Exactly. And that's why this discovery is so exciting. It's not just about this one strange, steamy planet. It's about what it can tell us about how planetary systems form and evolve over billions of years.
So where do we go from here? What are the next steps in understanding this steamy world and what it means for our search for other planets, maybe even habitable ones?
This discovery is really just the beginning. I'm sure astronomers will be eager to study GJ9827d's atmosphere in even greater detail, maybe even trying to figure out if it's losing any of that steam to space. And of course, they'll be on the lookout for other planets like it around other stars. By comparing and contrasting these steam worlds, we can start to piece together a more complete picture of how they form and what their existence means for our understanding of planetary evolution.
And who knows, what we learn from a planet like this, as extreme as it might seem, could even bring us one step closer to finding those elusive signs of life elsewhere in the universe. It's amazing to think that a planet blanketed in superheated steam could hold so many secrets about our universe. But I guess that's the beauty of space exploration, isn't it? There's always something new and incredible waiting to be discovered if we just know where to look.